Howdy. Well, it's 2 a.m. and you know what that means. I feel like cooking something or baking something. But in this case, we'll do something pre-baked with making a gingerbread house. These are our ingredients here. And well, let's put it together. First, we prepare the icing bag by kneading the pouch for 1 minute until it is a soft, smooth consistency. Then we remove the cap and we snip off the tip of the icing bag. Next, now that we have our icing bag, we lay out the house pieces. So let's do that. These are the sides. Okay, now we've laid everything out. Now we're going to use this icing bag and we're going to use it on the front and back of the house. I think we're going to lay a little bit of icing down here. And this is going to stick our house together, I think. Let's give it a bit extra just to make sure it sticks well. And we want to get both sides of the house.
Do the same for the back.
So your icing, front and back, should look like this. Got a little bit on there. Might need a little bit more, but let's try how much we've got there. And we put it onto. Apparently I wasn't liberal enough with the icing, so we're gonna get real generous with this icing. Now, we stick the front panel on like so. Oh, phooey. You know what? I'm gonna do it here. Yes, it sticks. Now let's just insert this other piece in here and watch it not fall apart. Oh, I think we've almost got it, almost. How the hell is someone meant to stick this together and it not fall apart? Well, it wasn't easy, but we got it together and I slightly broke it in the process, but it's together. Let's see. I would point out this doesn't actually fit the canals. It looks so good on the box, doesn't it always? And maybe I can reinforce the walls with icing in front and back panels. Okay. So for the next part, we're going to put icing on the front and back panels of the roof. I don't know how much to put on, so I'm just going to put a lot on. There we go. Icing along the roof edges. Uh-oh. Yeah. Let's use some icing to try and mend it. Uh-oh. No, we're making it worse. I'm determined to get this together. Alright, so we've got the left side done. Now, let's get the right side. Oh! Oh no, we've lost it. Yeah, okay, that's better. This probably won't work, but let's try it anyway. So, now we just stick this piece back in. Haha! It might hold, maybe, possibly, no, probably not. Who are you kidding, Josh? This is just going to destroy your fortress. Well, it's sorta kinda sticking. That's what you call bad glue. There we go. Well, it's kinda sorta sticking. Place the roof panels on the house peaks, like so. Now ideally, this is how it should look. So, well, no, this isn't how it should look. So this is how you fail a gingerbread house, you see? See, now if I had succeeded in this is probably how it would look. Who am I kidding? So this is how you don't make a gingerbread house. I'm sorry, Mr. Gingerbread Man. Maybe we can manage to dress up the gingerbread man at least, and we'll give him like a gingerbread panel. Oh, now you stick, do you? I managed to make it stick together. Now, oh, you stuck there, did you? That can stick on the roof there. See, that holds, that sticks. That's meant to go together like that. Okay. I did it! I did it! I got it to stick together for more than 10 seconds. Okay, now we wait 15 minutes while my monstrosity sets, and then we can decorate our people. So, now that our monstrosity is sticking together, so let's give this little man some buttons. And let's give him a yellow button here. And now let's give him some eyes. I'll say you to some green eyes. Admit it. I made a monstrosity, haven't I? How'd they make him stand up like that? Alright, now... And it's got some roof hearts now. Ah. Well, I started trying to decorate it, then I failed. See, it kind of fell apart here. Behold, my house, my completed house. So as we can see, I was better off doing top 10 lists and not doing, construction of anything for that matter, even gingerbread. So, failure, but at least it was kind of fun and interesting. Here's to you, wall. That's good wall.